Yes, I do wear sunglasses at night in the house. It's fun for me. It's fun. Yes. So I'm gonna use my. So when I need to think, I sit in the bath and after water, I swear.
I'm losing the job, I called so many times. I swear she knew that's how you look. You devil, I swear. Sorry guys, I shouldn't get into this, but I'm gonna cut in because you made a heard something about gay people and making fun of my friends calling them gay. There's the thing about gay people. I am not homophobic. I love gay people. I have lots of friends who are gay or bi or lesbians. For example, I know lots of people who are bi. I know lots of people who are lesbians. Shannon. I know lots of people who are gay. Cody. Like, I love you guys. I love them. And it's nothing wrong with them. So there is, because there's not. I'm not homophobic and we're not like trying to make fun of anybody or anything. Anyways, let's continue with this clip, okay? The neighbor's staring at me. Hi, Miss Johnson. She hates me. Anyways. Talking dogs! Hi. So, whoever sent me this video, wants to propose to you. You know, I'm gonna get down on my knees and I'm gonna do it because obviously this person feels a pansy to go and just say, baby, no, I love you in ways that can't imagine. So I'm gonna do it for you. I'm just gonna round out. Here we go. Thanks for being here. You know, we've known each other for a while now and I really love you and I want to spend this whole life with you. So it's lovely. We marry me, baby. Yeah, that was super gross. Ow.